All right, guys, so here's the secret. Every conflict contains a seed of connection. And here's what I mean. If your child tells the truth about something they could have hidden and you respond with steadiness and mercy, are we going to do that 100%? No. But if you can respond with steadiness and mercy, you just built a relational bridge that will outlast any grounding or lecture. You're modeling how grown-ups repair. You're showing that love doesn't disappear in conflict, it actually shows up. So what can you try? Here are some phrases. I'm disappointed, but I'm also proud that you told me, right? What about, what do you think needs to happen next, right? That's an invitation word to repair. We'll work this through together, right? Again, that puts you guys in the same seat together. You're not letting them off the hook. You're handing them tools to rebuild. You're reminding them, I'm still your coach, still your advocate, still in your corner. So here's your new game plan. Be the coach, not the referee. Shine light into secrets with a steady voice. Ask, is that everything I need to know? Not as a threat, but as an act of grace. Conflict doesn't have to pull you apart. Handled well, it can bring you closer than ever. Because when your child learns that they can mess up and still be loved, they're learning the deepest truth of all. Relationship is stronger than failure, and love is bigger than mistakes.